Be Miffed, Unraveling an English Expression. Hello, dear language learners. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard before but might not fully understand. Be miffed. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use it. Be miffed is a colloquial expression in English that means to be annoyed or upset about something. If someone says they're miffed, they're expressing a mild form of displeasure or irritation. It's not as strong as saying they're angry or furious, but it's a step up from being slightly bothered. For instance, if someone forgets to invite you to a party, you might be miffed. You're not enraged, but you do feel a bit left out. Now that we understand the meaning, let's see how we can use it in a sentence. 1. I was miffed when she took the last piece of cake without asking. 2. He's a bit miffed because they didn't consider his suggestion at the meeting. 3. Are you miffed with me for being late? From these examples, you can see that the phrase can be used in various contexts, but the underlying sentiment remains consistent, a mild form of annoyance or displeasure. If you're looking to expand your vocabulary, here are some synonyms for be miffed that convey a similar meaning. Be irked, be peeved, be nettled, be ruffled. Remember, while these words and phrases have similar meanings, the nuances might vary slightly, so it's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with their specific usages. And there we have it. Be miffed is a great expression to know if you want to convey that you're slightly annoyed or upset about something. English is filled with such colorful phrases, and understanding them can add depth to your conversations. We hope this video has demystified be miffed for you. Until next time, happy learning!